Hello, good day everyone. Kamusta? Kamusta po ang preparation para sa exam? Ayan, kung nakapunta kayo ngayon dito sa aking channel at napapanood nyo itong video na 'to, very good. Malaki ang tyansa mong pumasa. Basta ikaw ay mag-aral. Ang exam po natin ay all about multiple choice, enumeration, and lastly essay. Sir, up to ilan po? Secret! Kaya po, aralin natin ang inyong lesson. Sino pong ready na? Kung ready na, taas ang kamay. Ayan. Nakangiti kayo ngayon ha. May panibagong video na naman si Sir. Okay po, let's start. Eating habits and weight control. Kapag po sinabing eating habits, it is the food that we eat such as fruits, vegetables, and proteins. It has an significant impact in our health, weight, and all well-being. Emphasize the word all well-being. Kapag po nakita kayo ng food that we eat such as fruits, vegetables, and proteins, ang sasagot nyo na po dyan kaagad ay eating habits. And meron pong 5 examples of proper eating habit. Ano po yung una? Create a meal plan. Second, mindful eating. Third, limit processed foods. 4, choose nutritious food. And 5, control portion sizes. Ayan. Bubulungan na kita. Sauluhin mo yan. Baka lumabas. Eme! Okay, let's go to 3 R's of eating habit. Ano po yung 3 R's of eating habit? The first is reflect, replace, and reinforce. Reflect all specific eating habits, both bad and good. Identify common triggers for unhealthy eating. Mag-reflect tayo kung ano ba talaga yung kinakain natin. Is it good? Is it bad? Number 2, after we reflect, we need to replace. Replace all the unhealthy eating habits with healthier ones. Ayan, i-replace po natin from unhealthy to healthier ones. And after that, after you reflect, after you replace, lastly, you need to reinforce. Reinforce it with new, healthier eating habits. Okay, what is eating habits? It is fruits, ano po yun, vegetables, it is kapag may nakita kayong weight, health, it is all about all being. Ano yun? Ang gulo? Ayan, parang choppy si Sir. Ayan, ginugulo ko lang isipan ninyo para balikan nyo po yung unang page natin. I-review nyo po muna yung PowerPoint, and after PowerPoint, punta po kayo dito sa recordings ni Sir. Third, 3 factors that can affect weight control. First is genetic factors and hormone syndromes. Ito po yung mga sinasabi natin na hindi po natin dapat i-judge ang mga tao kasi yung iba talagang medyo chubby sila. Yung iba sobrang payat kahit anong gawin. Hindi po natin sila pwedeng i-judge kahit anong kain nila kasi sabi ko nga sa video ni Sir, di ba? May mga tao na mabilis ang metabolism, may mga taong hindi. At isang factor po doon ay yung hormones nila, kung papaano. And second is environmental factors, yung environment nila. And lastly, the energy balance. So, thank you. Maraming salamat. Ano po yung ating re-reviewin? Yung 3 R's, yung 5, yung 5 enumeration na yon, tapos yung 3 ulit na yon. So, ilan yon? 5, 3, 3, ilan? Then, mag-review po. Ang ating exam ay multiple choice, enumeration, and essay. Kung napanood mo ito, tumabot ka sa bidyong ito, panoorin mo to at lalabas to sa exam. Yun lamang at maraming salamat.